now I'm gonna test a mask, and this is the Goodnight PM mask. It says it skin feeling stress from a long day, say goodbye to rough and dry skin. I just wanted to give it a review about it because it's my first time, and I do love masks. But I usually do them for the morning, and this is a night mask, so I'm excited to try it out.
And what you think you were being secretive watching us, now there's millions of people watching you.
Look, there's like a... I don't know how to do this because there's like a plastic thing on it.
What if a university could lock its tuition? Your whole life is about to change. What if a university could guarantee
Oh, it's so cold.
first class to you?
It's so cold.
Not when you shed yours.
Well, it smells like flowers at first, and then it is kind of hard to put on. It's like not my face shape. I feel like it's not fitting nice. Why? Say hi to the camera. I'm recording right now.
Oh, what the heck?
Do you see that?